Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming tools and the PDF type. Open the PDF in Acrobat Pro or your converter and inspect pages. Native text exports cleanly, scan pages need OCR. Once done, choose Export to Excel or Save As. XLSX and export the file. You'll see worksheets appear in Excel. Make sure to import all pages and preserve layout. If the converter offers table detection, enable it now so you don't lose columns or merged cells during the first pass. Once the file is in Excel, focus on structure and data integrity. Check for merged cells, misaligned columns, and headers shoved into rows. Use text to columns and manual splits to restore columns. Re-enter or rebuild formulas. Converters rarely preserve complex logic, then confirm numeric formats like dates, percentages, and currency. Use trim and find /replace to remove stray characters. If tables lost their names or ranges, recreate them so filtering and pivot tables work properly before you export again. To finish, set your print area and page breaks, then choose File right arrow Export or save as right arrow PDF with high quality and appropriate scaling. Make sure to include bookmarks or PDF tags if accessibility matters. Once exported, review the PDF on multiple devices to confirm fonts and alignment. If something goes wrong, text missing, broken layout, run OCR on scan pages, try a different converter. Or, as a last resort, paste problem ranges as images and re-export. These workarounds recover presentation when conversion fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.